Hello, guys. My name is Satinder Punia, and I'm your anchor and I'm your mentor. And I am making for content for just my audience, so my audience can be fluent. And look, guys, also I'm making this content creation just because that my audience gonna be fluent, and also just they just solve their problem. Okay, because I really don't think so. Any institute will give you help like this. They will give you thousands of books, sheets, and they will give you everything, but they will not give you a proper thing which can solve the problem. And look, guys, so my channel is a very benefit for my audience. And look, guys, look, if you just solve your life problem, because look, guys, you will your life will whole life you're gonna face the problem. But remember one thing, one thing, this is the main thing I'm telling you. Either you will whole life you will live in a mental psychology, you will live in a delusion. Guys, remember, I'm telling you, is 80% in India, women, girl, live in delusion. 80%. Listen to my each and every word very carefully. 80%, guys, I'm experiencing it. 80% women and girls live in a delusion in whole life. Okay, so that's why I'm just telling you that my channel is for my audience, because I know you are 15 and 20 kids. So just solve the problem. And look, guys, today's my topic is when you should get married. Okay, I mean, it's a very good topic. Everyone want to, yes, everyone need a partner. Everyone want to live like a partner. Want to live with their partner. So I'm telling you when you should get married. Look, guys, first of all, I'm telling you when you just 16 and 70s, just understand all the thing that investing, mutual fund, SIP, FD, stock market. Just learn this all thing. Learn from YouTube, learn from books, learn from. I mean, you can learn these things when you just ninth or 10th. I mean, guys, learning is no age. As much as you soon will teach this, understand this, you will get a benefit in your life. So first of all, when you just 12th when you are in a 5th or 6th class, just watch the YouTube in investing, SIP, FD, PF, stock market, as much as you adopt this thing. Okay, then when you just now turn to you 17 or 18, okay, just go to school and college and give exam. Yes, all the thing you have to do, but just now you just open and understand the business. Okay, business, property dealing, a tea stall. Look, guys, no work is short and big. Okay, I'm telling you biggest psychology thing. कोई काम छोटा नहीं होता. Just understand all the property, tea staller, restaurant. I mean, as much as you. And now when you just 20 and 22, just give to that business idea and just grow yourself. I mean, your money marketing, how market is going on, what market need, what people, what kind of problem people. Look, guys, what is money? What is money? Money is, I mean, 1 crore, 2 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. I'm giving you secret. What is this? When you just solve a biggest problem, you will get earn money. Look, guys, what is water? Everyone drink water. I mean, everyone drink water. But someone took a plastic and take a label Bisleri, Aquafina, and sell the market in 20 rupees. Now he is a billionaire, trillionaire, because he know the problem. He know the problem then, that people are traveling in bus, train, aeroplane, and they really need water. So he solved the problem. Namkeen, bhujia, every kind of guys thing. All the things are you think when you are just problem solved. Problem solved. Now you can solve the problem. This is the money. This is the game of money. I mean, all the SIM, Airtel, Jio. I mean everything, guys. Everything. You are a problem solver. And we are living in an age of internet. Okay, so now you can understand all the things from YouTube. It's very clear. So when you solve a biggest problem, then money will automatically generate. And also, guys, when you should get married, I'm suggesting you when you have your own house, when you have your own car. Okay, it's not a good thing that people are living that life, EMI, loan. It's not a good thing. Just sit with their people. Just sit with them people. Then you know that this 4 BHK flat in Borivali, Juhu, this 4 BHK flat in Bandra, Mumbai, how costly this is. This Jaguar, this Audi, this Thar, how costly this is. Because they will not tell you how EMI, how loan, how they are suffering. They will not tell you. They will tell you that yes, we have a luxury lifestyle, we have a 4 BHK, and all these are luxuries, car, smartphone, and all these have. So first of all, take your own home, purchase your own car, bike, okay? And then when you just comfort, then you have in account 2 or 3 crore extra, then you should be married. I'm suggesting you. This is the way of life. Until you can't have to think. You don't have to think this think. Because I'm telling you, in middle class family, what will you show? In middle class family, first of all, no one want to see you happy. Okay? Your relative, even your house, no one want to see you happy. First of all. Whenever, I'm telling you, people are in India, 80% in India, women are living in a delusion. Okay? Only 20% women and girl talk to their men face to face. Otherwise, all they are living in delusion. Cool life. So you can't love with your wife with your own house. Whenever. So first of all, make your life at least 3 or 4 5 crore. Okay, then you should think about it. Look, guys, cut the world. Don't think too much. Cut the world. Don't think too much. Don't be panic. So yes, I am thinking that my channel is really helping you. Look, guys, I am making this content each and every day, and I know it will take at least 1 year. Content creation journey is not easy. So I am thinking that I'm hoping that best. So yes, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and tell me in comment section so what I can make more content for you. Thank you very much.